Hi everybody, welcome to Paul Programs. Today is going to be a real interesting look at basically Unity unveiled their AI and what they have planned for it, or at least give a sneak peek at it. And actually went to Unity Developer Day in Austin and they talked a lot about AI, what plans they'd like to have for it. And while nothing's really been locked firmly in place, they did reveal a nice trailer which we'll take a quick look at, and then we'll jump in, take a look at their latest blog post about it, and then we'll talk about some ways we can actually make use of AI to create some cool things as a tool, not a replacement, because that's really the best way for AI to go, is something that can enhance what we do. So let's get started with the video first. Alright, characters, Muse chat. Oh, Muse. Oh. Yep, standard chat GPT stuff. Nothing too different. Okay. Interesting. Wonder if it's web-based. Oh, can highlight roofs, do different roofs. Hmm. Alright, so that was an interesting first look at what Unity is potentially planning for AI. Just taking a look at it, some first thoughts is it takes a lot from ChatGPT first off, so that's interesting. It keeps a familiar interface. It's cool that you can make instant swap outs faster, so that does allow more flexibility for being able to kind of see what works and doesn't fast. Um, it's probably a question of like how much of it is movie magic, just for the trailer itself, but it could have potential. It's definitely interesting to see what potential applications there are to streamline the game development process. Because one thing that's been talked about a lot is how much time it actually takes to make games. So AI tools could be that way of taking these 5 to 6 year game development cycles and putting them into something more truncated and shorter. But with that, let's actually go through the article next. So first thing they do is they talk about how everything's going to be impacted by AI. And then they announce their 2 projects, which Muse, which is their expansive platform for AI driven assistance for creation, and Sentence, which allows you to embed neural networks and builds to enable previously unimaginable real time experiences. So basically, Muse will help in the creation side of things, while Sentis will help actually do unique, complicated tasks in runtime, basically, which can lead to some interesting concepts and thoughts. So yeah, so basically, like mentioning, Muse is basically gonna be their tool for actually creating things in a Unity editor faster, using like more natural language and text prompts. They're starting their beta for Muse Chat, which is basically the Chat GPT style of functionality, which will help people kind of get started, figure out like certain problems they're trying to solve. And then Centis, this is going to be their thing that basically allows them to run an AI model on the Unity runtime. So during runtime, it'll actually be able to kind of figure out some more complicated things. And they do have a trailer, so let's open that and just take a quick look. So just past here. Nope, that's not the one. This is the one. All right. So you can the idea is to animate, do other unique things, complicated facial structures using AI. Huh. That's kind of creepy, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty creepy. But it does lead to a lot of potential. So, yeah. So with Centis, that's going to be your solution for doing really complicated stuff, facial mapping, things like that. in real time. I mean, I'm for it. It could help, honestly, streamline a lot of work, allow for a lot more unique things to be done. Part of that is like you building AI into your games to create like more complicated, nuanced, like mod procedural worlds. The development tools will definitely be interesting to see what they do with it. The hope is that if they're using things made by other people, obviously those people get compensated, because AI will be great as a way of just helping people do things faster and kind of create more with less time. But it shouldn't come at the cost of others. But that's just my thoughts on it. But hopefully, like this quick look and just some thoughts on what Unity's doing for AI can excite everyone. I mean, it's pretty exciting to see what potential there is just for AI in general. But yeah, if you want to see any more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you all next time.